Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to get around the unable to load data error that most people are going to come into contact with. So starting on this screen, I'm going to hit Contact Customer Support. I'm going to wait a moment and then of course it's running a little bit slow, but this is going to happen. All right, so I'm going to go to Education and Trial Support. I'm not going to participate right now. All right, and then I'm going to come down here to Install and Activate. And then I'm going to select a product, and that will be Autodesk Fusion 360. Right. Fusion 360. Okay. Details so we can show relevant options. Alright, so here under this box I'm going to type unable to load data, and then I put connect to server. See options, and then can I launch my software? No. Okay, and there is the self-service option that is unable to load data. So I'm going to click on that. All right, I'm going to come down here to go to the solution. I'm going to go to the Fusion 360 Collaborator under Solution 1. This is going to have me log in here. Do you need me, John?
I just need to know if this works.
It will. I'll check it here in a little bit. Yep, I'll make it work. I'm making this one work right now. All right. Okay. Access now. I hit. I'm sorry, I haven't done this in a couple days. Now I believe that Mallory is going to have to enter her information here. Okay, so we're going to have Mallory sign in here, please. Because we're doing this on her computer. Mine doesn't. So, of course, you'll put in your own email. All right. And then this is where we're going to select a team. I'm going to put I'm going to close that right now. I'm not going to do that. All right, I'll hit next. And then this is what we have to do. We have to create a team or join an existing team. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to have her create a team, and we're going to call the team Mal. And you can name that whatever, school appropriate, obviously. Just use your nickname or initials, something like that. Hit next. Allowing discovery, you don't need to allow discovery. We'll communicate our files differently, so we'll hit do not allow discovery and create. Take a few moments. Appreciate Mallory's help. See her in the hallways. Certainly say good job. If I hit go to team here, this should have all of her stuff. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and close out of this and then go to Fusion I want to get rid of this, and now I'm going to open up her Fusion and make sure that it's working. But this is, I believe, as far as I need to go, and now she'll be able to use Autodesk Fusion. I'm just going to wait and verify for a moment that I've done everything. Oops, Mallory, I need you to log in one more time. I apologize. Okay, thank you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and got it. Obviously, speeds will vary with this. And there is the workspace coming to life. So she is now ready to start making the Duplo block. Phenomenal. Okay, so we're going to call this a unqualified success, and we'll continue to sort out the problems.